Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And guys, in this video we are going to learn about it is a concept of network topologies. So where we are going to learn what is topology, and in that what is physical topology and what is logical topology. So topology is a main topic, and physical topology and logical topology is subtopic, and this is the, you can say, body. Okay, network topologies. So sorry. So guys, first of all I will tell you about topology only definition. So it is nothing but, I hope you understand, structure. So topology is nothing but it is a structure of something, you can say. Just like human body, everything has one topology. Just like human body, we have hand, legs and all. So similarly, if there is a network, we are talking about network only. Okay, so it is a network topology. So what is topology actually? You should understand first of all. So topology is nothing but it is a structure. So let me tell you definition. Topology is a network specification. Okay, either you can say specification or a structure that determines the network's overall layout. Layout is nothing but structure only. One specification, you can say guidelines, and the network's data flow pattern. So it is a specification, guidelines, or even like a structure, layout, which says you how your network will be deployed and how network's data flow will be happening or will happen. Very simple. It determines network structure and data flow. So for example, this is example. You can see it is a network. So physical, it is a combination of two things. One is physical, second one is logical. Okay, that is the subtopic of this video. Here only I told you we are going to see three things. One is topology. I told you topology is nothing but a specification, okay, or a structure of a network which defines how it should be deployed, what should be layout, and logical, how it should be flowing or how should be data traveling or transmitting over the network. So it is a combination of two things. One is physical, second one is logical. So what is physical here? So physical is what? Physical you can see, okay, like connection, physical connection, computer, cable, LAN card and all. So this is a physical structure. You have connected 4 computers here. Now how data will be transmitting, that is known as logical. So for example, PC1 is here, okay, PC2 is here, PC3 is here, PC4 is here. So if computer want to send data to another, for example, this one wants to send data to 4, so either it can go this way, okay, or either it can go this way. So it has 2 routes. So similarly you can see from here to here also it is possible. It is possible, or even it can come from this side. So this is known as logical. But physical is you have to fix computer, cable and all. Very simple guys, there should not be any confusion here. So once again I will tell you, our topology comprises the physical topology, which describes the network physical wiring, layout or shape. Okay, same thing I told you here. It defines cabling and structure of network, physical layout basically. Okay, what it is? Physical topology. And the second one is, I hope this physical topology is very clear, which describes the network's physical wiring and layout and shape and all. Okay, very simple. And the next one is logical topology, which describes the path through which the data moves. Let me take you back. This is how data either can from this side or from here to here. This is just a logical thinking, a logical stuff very simple. And physically computers line card and cabling and all, wiring and all. And I hope very clear difference you should be knowing now. What is the difference between physical topology and logical topology? So logical topology is nothing but it is a path, it is a description of path, how data will be moving. And physical is what? Physical layout or shape of the network. Next thing guys, here the physical and logical topology do not have to be the same. Yes, it is not mandated that both should be same. Common topologies include star patterns, okay, ring pattern and bus or straight line pattern. So these are type of topologies. So in my next video I will be talking about all the topologies one by one. Okay, for example, let me show you what will be my next video. Next video will be like we are going to see what is physical bus topology, okay, and what is physical star topology, because just now I told you there are two you can say topic or subject to discuss inside topology. One is physical, one is logical. So first we will see logical. Logical is what? It is a physical layout, physical structure of the network. So it has lots of structures like ring, bus and all. So we are going to see all those things in my next video. I hope you will help me to subscribe channel, comment, share and like. So till then, bye bye.